Okay, so any question this type, so no this quadratic equation, cubic root, cubic equation, no this type, no this all concept 9th 10th concepts. So any question this type, any teacher asks the question, K Sanjay, what is this? Y square plus 3x plus 3y plus 7. So this is known as second degree of equation. Always remember, second degree of equation. So this, any student tell me, this equation is known as
nth degree of equation.
nth degree of equation. Very good. Which student? Very good boy. This is known as nth degree of equation. Nth degree of equation. Understand? So write down. Write down second degree of equation in homogeneous equation. Write down second degree of equation. Second degree of equation in homogeneous. Second degree of equation in homogeneous. So what equation? Tell me, any student? Second degree. So a x square plus 2h xy plus by square is equal to 0. This equation is known as second degree of equation in homogeneous. Homogeneous means x power 2, x power 1, y power 1, 1, 1, 2, y power 2. So all power under 2, 2, 2. So this is known as homogeneous equation. But power 2, so second degree. Clear concept?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, very good boy. Any question this type, ki your question find the second degree, third degree, fourth degree, fifth degree. Your question write the equation of fifth degree, means power 5. Power 5 means fifth degree. Power 6 means sixth degree. So this type question ask the exam time, ki find the second degree equation. So this is second degree equation. This is second degree equation. So step number 1, any question, second degree equation, third degree equation, fourth degree equation, any equation, the step number 1, first x square divide or x square multiply. X square multiply is equal to 0. Of this x square go this side, so 0. Of this a plus 2h y by x plus b y by x whole square. Understand? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Y by x is equal to m. So this is b m square plus 2h m plus a is equal to 0. This is known as second degree of homogeneous equation. Write down. All students write down. Fast write down, sir. But understand, not only write down. First understand, again write down. Any student doubt, ask the question. But all students very good students. All students very good. No any doubt. No any doubt, no any student. Very good students. Pakka student. No doubt. No understand, no doubt. Okay, Abraf sir. Now remember, this is what second degree equation. B m square plus 2h m plus a is equal to 0. This equation is known as second degree equation. So remember, 10th class, quadratic equation, 2 roots alpha beta. So these 2 roots m1 and m2. m1 and m2. The m1 plus m2 is equal to, tell me, m1 plus m2 is equal to summation of roots. Any student? Summation of roots?
Minus 2h by b.
Very good. Minus 2h by b. Product of roots? Product of roots?
By B.
A by B. Very good boy. A by B. A difference of roots. M1 minus M2 is equal to M1 minus M2 is equal to difference of roots. Always remember A minus B formula. Any student, A minus B formula root under A plus B whole square minus 4AB. This formula remember. A plus B means root under 4H square. First write the formulas. M1 plus M2 whole square or minus 4 M1 into M2. This formula value put, all student value put, the M1 minus M2 always mod, never negative, mod. The root under 4H square by B square minus 4A by B. Take LCM. First write down, all student write down first. All students write down first. Complete. Easy topic, not tough topic. Very, very easy. Competition asks the question. Means this topic you 100% sure कि one question to solve, sir. This topic you 100% sure कि IIT exam या any exam, IIT, NDA, ISI, SCRA, any exam, one question 100% you solve. अब रफ sir. Now M1 minus M2 mod is equal to root under, no root under, 4 common, the 2 by B root under H square minus AB. Understand this line? This line understand? A mod M1 minus M2 is equal to 2 by B root of H square minus AB. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Sorry. Any problem? Up now. Again. Remember कि H square minus AB greater than 0. That means कि H square minus AB positive value. That means positive value. Remember H square minus AB greater than 0. That means write down the lines are real. The lines are real. Write down condition number 1, H square minus AB greater than 0. That means positive. So lines are real and distinct. Second condition, H square minus AB is equal to 0. That means tell me any student. H square minus AB is equal to 0. That means the lines are third condition, H square minus AB less than 0, then lines are imaginary. Lines are imaginary. So any question this type, any equation given, are your question ki prove that this line real, coincide, या imaginary, none of these, so only H square minus AB check, this positive to real, negative to imaginary, 0 to coincide. write the one question. Find the condition. Write the question. Find the condition that the slope of one of the line represented by ax squared plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Again repeat, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 should be should be n times the slope of the other. Should be n times the slope of the other. Solve this question. This is no question, this concept, sir. This is not question, this is concept. Okay, you question this. Key question, a x square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Question given this. Question given this. Are your question? Ki prove that what not prove, what condition? Condition find. What condition? What condition? Ki one roots, another roots, n time this type xyz given. Okay. So now I start. So first these two question, two roots. No. First x square divide, x square multiply. Both side x square divide simply, this is 0. A plus 2h y by x plus by square is equal to 0. That means b by x. I beat all students. B by x. Y by x. Y by x is equal to slope. So bm square plus 2hm plus a is equal to 0. This equation two roots, m1 and m2. This equation two roots, m1 and m2. m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h by b, or m1 into m2 is equal to a by b. All students up to write down. All students write down this. Now your question given कि one roots m, so m, so another roots nm. Question given n time. Your question given कि one roots m, so another roots. Oh, sorry. Okay. One roots m, so another roots nm, n into m, n time. Question given according to question. So all roughs are not important, all. It's total rough. Total rough. Now according to question, m1 consider m, so m2 is equal to nm. Put the value. M plus nm is equal to minus 2h by b. M common. So 1 plus n minus 2h by b. Okay. Now condition. Write down all. Let's write down. Now m into nm is equal to a by b. N m square is equal to a by b. M finds us. M is equal to 2 minus 2h by b, 1 plus m. 1 plus n. This m value put this place. So n bracket minus 2h by b, 1 plus n whole square is equal to a by b. This question simplify this question simplify, so one relation come, the relation 4nh square. I think 4nh square equal to AB by 1 plus n square. I think this relation comes, this relation remember. I think this no. I think this. All students solve. All students solve. Check the relation correct ki wrong. All students solve. Check relation correct ki wrong. This upside one relation I given. This relation checks. Ki this simplify. Downside one equation come na. This simplify. All students simplify this condition. Check this come or not comes. Check all students. So always remember exam time, you question this type, कि your question given, कि your question given, कि one slope, one roots is 2 times to another roots, 2 times. So n is equal to 2, so direct n is equal to 2 put. So 2 into 4, 8. 8s squared is equal to 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 squared, 9. The 9ab. This condition. This condition. Exam time, only remember this. Now your question given 3 times. 4 times. The n is equal to only 4 put. Our answer comes. So this shortcut, any question exam competition, pair of first homogeneous equation or question given ki one roots 3 times to another roots to find the condition. Yeah, 2 times or find the condition. The n is equal to 2 put this condition. This option given. The option ticks. Tick and go home. One question solved, enough. So any question this type, this method, this formula remember, all forget. Only remember this equation. If H4n h square is equal to AB bracket 1 plus n power square. Only this concept remember. Any exam time, any question, your question 5th time to another roots. That apply, n is equal to 5, also the answer. This type question ask, this type question all student solve the question. Next, angle between next point write down, angle between pair of a straight line. Angle between means your question, find the angle between pair of a straight line. Find the angle between pair of a straight line. Okay. So simple. Oh, which method? Equation, the simply the equation, this question given, ax squared plus 2hxy plus by squared is equal to 0. Equation to your this given. Equation to your this given. Now your question, find the equation. So simple, apply the formula. So this equation, two roots, m1 and m2. Actually this equation, no, this equation, bm square plus 2hm plus a is equal to 0. Any this type question, this equation convert. Again solve, otherwise not solve, sir. Okay, these two roots, m1 and m2. So tan theta is equal to formula mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. अब all students tell me, m1 minus m2 is equal to tan theta is equal to tan inverse. Tell me, m1 minus m2 is equal to, a teacher, m1 minus m2 mod is equal to what value? Any student?
2b root
2
2 by b
2 by b
root h square minus 2ab.
this correct na? This correct? Or by 1 plus m1 into m2 is equal to a by b. अब take calcium or solve. Take calcium and solve the what value? Theta is equal to tan inverse mod 2 root under h square minus ab by a plus b. This equation. This is known as angle of pair of a straight line. Angle pair of a straight line. Now understand? Any student doubt? Sanjay, you understand? Now speed good now. Sanjay, now speed good now. Okay, again speed increase. Actually, this easy topic, sir. This very easy topic. And second, important, easy and important. Easy, important, my logic, easy topic, important topic. So fastly finish, sir. Okay. So your question, कि theta is equal to tan inverse mod 2 root of h square minus ab by a plus. अब condition given, pair of a straight line means two lines. Pair of a straight line means two lines. A condition given, both lines L1 perpendicular to a. Question given कि ax plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and another equation equal to 0. An equation, question condition given कि both equations are perpendicular. Condition given कि both equations are perpendicular. Again, what condition? Again, option given, condition option given. This condition means perpendicular. This condition means XYZ. Any question exam time, ki equation, two pair of question given, ki this pair of equation is perpendicular. So understand ki two lines are perpendicular. Understand condition. First understand कि question given कि pair of a straight line are perpendicular. The pair of a straight line perpendicular means pair means two line. These two lines are perpendicular. Understand? Two lines are perpendicular. That means theta is equal to 90 degree. That means this go this side. The tan theta is equal to 2 root under h square minus ab by a plus b. अब tan 90 degree value, tell me any student. Tan 90 degree value?
Infinite.
Undefined, not infinitive. Infinitive or undefined, both different meanings, sir. Math student, always basic concept clear, sir. Infinitive or undefined, both are different meaning. Okay, now this is undefined. Undefined means 1 by 0 is equal to 2 root under h square minus ab by a plus b mod. Cross multiply. That means a plus b is equal to 0. Means a plus b is equal to 0. Always remember a plus b equal to 0. That means lines are perpendicular. That means lines are perpendicular. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Write down. Exam time, any exam time, yeah, any teacher asks the question, कि a plus b is equal to 0. That means you told, that means sir, lines are perpendicular. A plus b means, a means coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. This na a means so coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. A means coefficient of a, or b means coefficient of b. Always remember coefficient of a square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0 is known as lines are perpendicular. Understand? Okay. Next, this write down, sir. Lines perpendicular, a plus b is equal to 0. That means coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. Next point, lines are parallel. Lines are parallel or anti-parallel. Next point, lines are parallel and anti-parallel. Parallel means 0, anti-parallel means 180 degree. This line is parallel, so 0 degree. This line anti-parallel, so 180 degree. So tan theta is equal to what? 2 root under h square minus ab by a plus b mod tan 0 value 0. This give this 0. So what value? H square minus ab is equal to 0, means h square is equal to ab, means h is equal to root under ab. This condition satisfy. This condition satisfy. This condition satisfy. All are question given parallel. Write down. Complete. Next point write down. Next point write down. General equation of second degree. General equation of second degree. Next point write down. General equation of second degree. General equation of second degree is also known as, write down, general equation of second degree is also known as equation of conic. Equation of conic. C-O-N-I-C-S. Conics. General equation of second degree is also known as conic. Understand? General equation of what is this? General equation of second degree is known as conic equation. Conic equation. Write down. Conic equation. So conic equation. Always remember second degree of general equation. Second degree of equation of conic. Yeah. Always remember equation this: ax square plus 2hxy. Always remember ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Any teacher asks the question, you find the general equation of conic section, yeah, general equation of second degree. Any teacher asks the question, what is the general equation of second degree? So this equation, it will not, this equation, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This equation is known as second degree of general equation of second degree. General equation of second degree. So any question, general equation of second degree, any question, general equation of second degree, the first find a del. First find del. Del, any del find. The del is equal to determined. Del is equal to determined A H F. A H F. No. A H G. Sorry. G. X coordinate. X coordinate. X coordinate. X coordinate. A H G. Again. H B F. H B F. Again. G F C. This formula del is equal to. Del is equal to this formula. Write down. Now two conditions. After this solving, remember A H G H B F G F C is equal to del. Del simple name, no any special name, simple name. Now write down. This question solve. This solve, simplify. So two cases. Maybe del 0 or maybe del not equal to 0. Only two cases, sir. Maybe 0, maybe not 0. If del equal to 0, write down. If del equal to 0 is known as degenerate conic. Degenerate. D-G-E-N-E-R-A-T-E. Degenerate conic. If del equal to 0 is known as degenerate conic. Write down. If del equal to 0 is known as degenerate conic. Are they not zero, not equal to zero? The non-degenerate conic. Write down these two concepts. Remember, if del 0 to degenerate, del not 0 to non-degenerate. Okay, so this type more concept I discuss next class. So all students understand or go home again in practice, in home practice, already home. All students in home practice, meet next class. Again, I give the discuss the question. Okay, bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.